Hello, beautiful people. I'm going to be making a pone today. Now, when I was growing up, Mama, she would make what she called a pone. It was like one gigantic biscuit in the oven without having to roll them out and cut them out. Some people call them skillet bread, but I grew up with them being called a pone. So I'm going to make one today for y'all. I'm going to start out, I got my little thing written down because I can't remember, but I'm going to start out with 4 cups of sifted flour. I use the old sifter. This makes your flour just real fine. And this is what it gets out by sifting. See those little lumps?
Yeah.
You don't want those in there. So I've already got a cup sifted. Now I'm going to pour them little lumps right in there because I'm going to sift in my other dry ingredients. Okay, you're going to sift in a 1/2 cup of sugar. I love that sound. Now we're going to sift in a teaspoon of baking soda. It might just fall on through here, I don't know, because it's not very much. Now, I'm going to give this a mix. I've already got the greased iron skillet in the oven. It's preheating to 400 degrees, and I've got the skillet in there heating up. You want to grease your skillet good. Okay, I've got the dry ingredients in. I'm going to make like a little well in there. And I'm going to start adding the wet ingredients. Now I got to tell y'all about this milk. The Dollar Tree sells this. It's stable shelf milk. This only has milk and vitamin D3. That's what's in it. And the process that they use makes this to where it can be on the shelf, but once it's open, you gotta put it in the refrigerator and it will keep up to 14 days. They have whole milk, they have skim milk, they have almond milk, $1.25. And we don't use a whole lot of whole milk, so this is perfect for us.
Yep.
So, we're gonna pour in a cup of that milk. We've got 2 eggs beaten. Oops. I've got a cup of water. And I've got 1/3 of a cup of oil. I had cataract surgery and I've got the lens out of my glasses, so I'm hoping that this does okay. I think that's it. We're going to just mix this, not over mix it, but just kind of incorporate all the ingredients. I haven't made this in years and years and years. I still remember my mama baking this in the oven. She'd make, well, she made what we called water gravy, just flour, lard, and water. Because we didn't have a lot of ingredients growing up and stuff. Okay, I think that's just...
You have some on that side.
That side?
Yeah.
That's a problem with being short. I can't see. I can't see the sides. But yeah, there's some more in there.
That's what I'm here for.
Yes, that's what you're here for, hon, to help me see.
See all the things that you can't see over the edge of the bowl.
Yeah. So you just want to get it to where it's all incorporated. Is this preheated?
Yeah, it's been in there probably about 10 minutes.
Okay. I'm going to drag this big skillet out. Whoops. Sorry about that. Guess my arms are short too. Okay, I'm going to pour it in here. This bowl's heavy. Now, it's not like a traditional biscuit dough. Should have got a spatula out. Okay. This bowl's heavy too. Okay, you can see right here. Let me turn on this light. You can see right there it's bubbling. So that's ready. Put this in. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes and then check it. You might just want to take something and stick in the middle in 20 minutes and see if it's done in there. So I'm going to do this. Oops, wait a minute. I get confused on this. Okay, nope. Oh, this eye's messing with me without that lens.
There you go.
Okay.
You got it.
It's set. Well.
There's too many buttons.
There is. There's too many buttons. And this is throwing me off without my glass in my eye. Well, never mind. We'll see y'all back in a bit. Okay, folks, we got it out of the oven. I've done cut a piece out. I used my little cake tester thing here to see if it was done. And it was. And it baked for 20 minutes exactly. Now, it looks like cornbread, but the inside of it is the biscuit. So, I'm going to put Eric some raspberry jam on here. Might should have split it open for him.
That's okay.
But I didn't think to, really.
That's okay.
He likes his jelly and his jams. Okay. Gonna let him try this. Might need a fork, I don't know.
I think that's what I'll get a fork.
Now gravy goes on easy over this.
It's very cake-like.
Yeah.
The texture and all.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It's not hard to make, and should have probably let it set a little while to cool down, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video finished, so.
Oh, it's very good.
I think he likes it,
I
folks.
I like it, folks.
I hope y'all can make you some, and I hope y'all enjoy it, and we love y'all.
Yep.